Woodpecker's new coping sled is simply the best tool for woodworkers to use when making rail-and-style doors, tenons, lap joints, and most other end grain cuts. So how does the Woodpecker coping sled ensure that your stock is perfectly square to your router fence, holds down your stock securely, provides quick and easy setup and repeatability and safe operation? Your coping sled starts with a large 11.5 inch by 11.5 inch by 3/8 of an inch thick phenolic base, which will accommodate stock up to 5.5 inches wide and 1.5 inches thick. Then add a 16-inch aluminum fence positioned perfectly square to the edge of the sled base. Now add the phenolic top plate, sliding it towards your stock to lock it against the fence, forcing the stock to stay square throughout the cutting operation. Now let's add the dual track top tracks and clamping beam. This design gives you positioning flexibility and extreme hold down force, and allows positioning of two massive hold down clamps anywhere along the width of the stock, making it easy to position the clamps dead center over your stock. Finally, the fence guide. Place your sled 3/4 of an inch from the fence, then slide the fence guide against it. That's it. The clear fence guide provides visibility and allows the sled to track along the fence rather than the miter slot. And since Woodpecker's coping sled has no disposable parts to replace, like other sleds do, the only thing you'll have to provide is whatever scrap you have laying around the shop. He uses a backer board to prevent tear out. And with the new optional extended fence guide, cutting tenons and lap joints with a perfect finish is now a breeze. Whether it's rail and style doors, tenons, lap joints, or other end grain cuts, the Woodpecker's coping sled makes your job easier, and that's the bottom line. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the coping sled is manufactured in our plant right here in the USA.